Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again. As you can see, we're on part 3 of the bike trailer videos. I did a little work on the bike trailer, painted it black, I put a basket on it, and I just used some cardboard assisted drafting to build a cover for the electronics for right now. I'll build that out of plastic later. I also figured out kind of a prototype for the mount to hook it up to the bicycle. I had some really thin-walled square tubing in the shop, so I decided to cut that up, and it had a couple of little tabs on the bottom of it to mount it to the frame a little easier, so just recycle those. As you can see, the spacers in there are old sockets as well. So it's kind of a hack way to put it together, but it's going to work for now so we can test it out. Now the mounting bracket for the trailer just slips right over the seat. You pull the seat post off, you drop the seat post through it and set it up. One thing I need to do is figure out how to space it out, because the trailer's sitting all the way at the bottom of the seat post. I need it higher up, closer to the seat. But I kind of have an idea to work that out. I'm also using a roll of tape so as kind of a bearing or a bushing, but it works for right now, as I said. We'll kind of refine the design later. Connecting it up is really easy. Just have the throttle here, which luckily I had just enough wire on that throttle control from the box that I didn't have to rewire anything or shorten any wires. I could just kind of plug it in and go. Since I'm mounting this to the left side instead of the right, I got to put it on backwards, so I'll have to lean over the handlebars to see the voltage gauge, and also to make it accelerate I'll have to push forward on the throttle, but I had this in the part stock, so we're just going to roll with it. So I took it for a short test run, went out to the public market. Look at that weather coming in, a little bit of snow on the mountains. Isn't that nice? It's actually kind of warm for this time of year. But as you can see, went, stopped, got some lunch, threw it in the trailer. We're going to take it back to the other side of town and test this thing out a little bit more. So I thought I was going to get a lot faster gearing on this trailer using that really small sprocket, but honestly all it did was make it go about 16 miles an hour to the Jetsons 15. So at least they're paired up, but when you hit them both at the same time, it shoots right up to 15 miles an hour. Now that's all I have for you today on this project, but we will have another video where I'm doing a few more mods on this. Until next time, build stuff and have fun. And if you stuck around until the end of the video here, here's a small e-bike trailer burnout. Now I gotta replace my divot. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe.